3 3 इसी में ही है, क्योंकि हमने वॉल्यूम 1 2 3 किया था, या वो एक साथ ही. डू यू थिंक दीज आर ओरिजिनल्स, और डू यू थिंक दीज आर इम्पोर्टेड, और डू यू थिंक दीज आर रीप्रिंटेड हेयर? Please let me know whatever it is in the comments and what I should next do, because let's start with this. This is, I think, one. Oh, Suzume, and this is Hell Paradise. I think 3 अलग-अलग books हैं. So I'll start with this. Gabiru in the Hollow, one of the most session. Suzume तो मेरे को पढ़नी भी है, Makoto Shinkai वाला. So let's start with this. I think this always will start from this. This is a story by It's a Matt, और उन्होंने ऐसे लिख दिया, and this is one bad printing thing, so not appreciated, but wow, like जिसका starting frame is this, just you can imagine, it is in hell probably, but that is such a good starting frame. Like, sparks curiosity. Where are you? Are you in hell? Deputy name, okay, you love your wife. This looks like very big action frames. No way. Hollow inside. This you can. Wow, it is like the way he said shut up, and this looks so good, dude. God, just because of this मेरे को वो करना पड़ेगा. Come to this father, this. Wow. Sorry if there is a spoiler alert, but yeah, hell should be like this. It should be horrible, like to your core. That's why it's called hell, not heaven. Go for bad works. Wow, it is written so nicely though. Definite recommended. Like, just doing this would have taken a lot of time, and dude, this is like, the artist is so good. He's doing forced perspective, he's doing lot of things in here, and every frame is an action frame, and dude, this is so good, and definitely recommended. This is though definite.